Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your Lebara SIM language. So I will show you three methods. So the first one would be to use a direct code. So in order to change your SIM contract to Arabic, from Arabic to English, you can dial *222*10# on your mobile. As you can see, open your dialer and type it in *222*10#, and it will change to English. As you can see here, a notification will pop up and it will change to English. Another method that you can do is you can use generic code. So first of all, you'll have to open the power menu of Lebara. To do that, you'll have to dial *000# on your mobile. As you can see, this will pop up, and you'll have to go to settings, and for that you'll have to press 4 and then press send. Then you'll have to go into change language. So for that, press 1 and then send, and then you'll have to change. You'll have two options: set language to English, set language to Arabic. So simply press the numbers 1 and 2, whichever you prefer your language to be, and press send, and your language will be sent. The third method would be to call helpline. So you can call 1755 and then use the helpline to change your language to your preferred language. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.